Hello everyone, welcome to this special edition of QA Spiders Noida Placement Series. So today we have Khushi. She has been recently placed in a good IT company as a business analyst. So let's talk to her. Hello Khushi, first of all very congratulations.
Thank you.
And on your placement. So how does it feel to get placed?
Well, I feel great to placed in IT company as a business analyst because I have interest in business too, and also I want to IT skills that I can done it in practical fields. So I feel great.
Okay, so why you choose data analyst course?
So why I choose as an analyst here, because as I told you before that I want to work in the company where I can do the IT skills like SQL, Python, and also want to know the knowledge about the business. So here where I place, I got the opportunity that I can work on business and IT skills.
Okay, that's great. So how did you come to know about QA Spiders Noida?
Well, I got to know about this institute from my friend, and also the Instagram. And when I was applying on this institute, I got to know the reviews from the Google. So they all were 4.5, and I thought that this institute is good for that.
Okay, that's great. And how was your experience here? Your trainer, faculties, infrastructure class, and all?
Well, my experience is very good here. In this, I think 4 to 5 months, I will say that the trainers here are very respectable to the students, and the most important things about the skills they have very practicals. They teach you with the practical examples too. And Akash sir, Deepak sir, and more trainers so they teach us very well. So my experience is very good with the trainers.
Okay, that's great. And what's the placement process here in QA Spiders Noida? And what the challenges you face and how QA Spiders trainer and faculty help you to overcome all the challenges?
Okay, so what I have as challenge, the self-confident, I would say, confidence and skills most important. So here when I have done the mock interviews and practical examples, so it's so I got to know more about these skills. So these are the challenges where I lack in the the confident, or you say the skills improvement. So mock and presentation give it very well.
Okay, that's great. And one more question, like any message or any suggestion for the student who are looking to join us, or those who are also learning from here?
Okay. So first, if you think that you don't get placed, so it's very it's depend on you. You have to you have to prepare well. Second, the mock and presentation, you should do it. You every time if you think that you don't prepare well, so you don't have to attempt the mock. So it's you are doing wrong, because you have to attempt every mock and presentation. Third, that you should practice it very well, because most important thing is your confidence and your communication. So these are the things I would say that you have to improve.
And for those who are looking to join us?
Yeah, so for those whoever wants to join this institute is very good, and if you search it on Instagram or anything, the people get placed actually here. And I have done MTech and I have done BTech, and here I got confidence that I can I can achieve my goal. So I would suggest that you should attend this institute.
And in which company you placed?
Well, I placed as an analyst.
Okay, thank you so much. And